If you want to know how to get a lot of views, a lot of followers on Flip, and to be able to cash out daily, you're going to want to watch this video because I'm going to show you what everyone's doing. It's a new feature, they're hopping on it, and you got to be doing this if you want to climb quick on the Flip app. Coming up next. What's going on? My name is Quincy, and I help you with tips and tricks on social media such as TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and of course now Flip, one of the hottest growing platforms out there for social media, even affiliate marketing, and especially if you want to brand yourself. When it comes to getting paid, Flip is where you want to be at right now. So we're all past, is Flip a scam or is it not? Everyone knows that it's not a scam. I've cashed out multiple times, made over $1,100 on the app to date, only been on it for a few months. And I'm going to show you right now, if you want to get more views quickly, maybe you're uploading content and it's not really going anywhere. You see what people are doing. You see all of these green screens with the cash amounts in the back. You see that everyone's buying things, but man, something's going on. And I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to do a screen recording so that I can tell you what everyone's doing so that you can take advantage of it also. We'll screen record this. We'll turn the mic on. All right, we want something that's more than like 15 or 20 debates. This one, 247 debates. All right, you click on 247. Now, as you look, the first person, 2,400 views, right? The main person who likely did the video, and then the second one, 1,700, 1,600, 1,600, 1,500, 1,400, 1,200. You see what I'm saying? The video views are going up, up, up. Now, as you get to the bottom, you're going to see that the video views are getting smaller because those are the newer people who are now debating the video. So if you debate something right now, a month from now, 2 months from now, your video views are going up because you were tagged to a debate. I'm telling you, you can make money this way also because you get paid for the content that you create. There's a number of ways. I'm gonna stop this screen recording. I've covered it in previous videos before. You can get paid on doing reviews because you can get commissions on those items. You can also get paid on the views of those reviews, right? And then also when you upload your original content that's not even a review at all, just content that you want to make because you're getting paid on those views. All right, there is a number of ways. You can also tag Amazon affiliate links in your comments. That's a fourth way that you can get paid. There are a number of ways. Now, when you scroll on the app and you are watching videos on the feed, that money is going to be compound so that you can get discounts on products that you can purchase with that money. All right, it's going to give you either a 30, a 50, or a 60% discount off. And then, of course, you pay the balance. All right, but it's worth it. All right. And then when you review those items, you're just stacking money, stacking money. Comment below, let me know. Are you doing debates on the Flip app? Have you thought about it? If you haven't, it's the easiest thing to do. You don't have to review an item. You don't have to give any type of details about a certain product. All you're going to do is listen to what's going on and you're going to give your take, your 2 cents on that matter, and you're going to get paid just to do it. All right. People are going to find your profile and look at your profile, check you out. They may even give you a follow. All right. I've made a good amount of money on this platform. Very excited, looking forward to what's to come here in the future. And I recommend that you don't just do debates, but that you at least do a review at least once a week, right? This is speaking to the algorithm, showing that you are active on the main thing of this platform, which is being a shoppable app, giving your honest review. All right, I recommend you do a review, post some genuine content, and debates. And I would keep it going just like that. Do some reviews, genuine content, and then do some debates. Okay? Have fun with the app. There is no reason to just throw in the towel, not on an app that's paying. Even if you did a video and you got 50 cents, you got it for free, right? You can make a video at any time. I reached out to the platform not too long ago and I asked them, is there a limit to the amount of videos that you can make, or you don't want to get in trouble that you shouldn't make more in a day? And they said, no, there is no limit to the amount of videos that you can make. However, you do not want to spam your account or the platform, and you want to make sure that each video is bringing value. All right. Check out that debate feature. Let me know how's it going for you, and comment below if you want to see other videos. Subscribe to the channel as I continue to make more videos that's going to help you build your brand and scale your following. All right, I'll see you next time.